Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Your lady here, Debra. I'm back again with another good video. So on today's video, I'll be installing this short Pixie wig. Yes, it's my first time installing a wig on my hair. I've been doing some braids here and there, enjoying my natural hair. So I thought like, hey, because this is the first experience, why not take my camera with me? So I want you to let me know what you think about how it looks, and like, should I continue doing this, or this should be the first and the last? Because guys, it's my first time and I'm kind of curious as of how I'll be looking, or yeah. So let me know in the comment section, like, how did it all go? Like, okay, so right now I'm getting ready to go to that place. Let's catch up when I get there. So we're here, guys. I forgot to start filming. We've already went in with the wig cap, some spray to hold it. So right now we're just putting on that glue that is going to hold the weave. This is how it looks. She's laying it down so perfectly. We're done with the installation, guys, so we're ready to style it. This is how it all looks. You know, if I didn't want any styles, I could just let it be just like this, but we're just gonna modify it and make it look mwah. This is how it looks. Look at that. It's so invisible, you know, like, wow. I'm so much loving it. So we're just going to go ahead and install it more further. We're gonna put in those cows and make it look more kinkier. This is how it all came out. Those cows are looking so good. They give it that vibe. Wow, look at that. Look at that. This is it, guys. We're done. This is lovely.